Welcome to our virtual classrooms. At Amaranta School, we have a virtual platform for our students to continue their studies from home. To enter the virtual classrooms, you must open the browser that you regularly use. It is easy to access Microsoft Teams. Go to the website office.com and log in using the student's email and password that were mailed to parents. Enter the student's school email. Enter the password. The first letter of the password is uppercase. Please do not change the password. Very well, you have entered the virtual room. On your first access to the platform, you'll be able to see support information for using Microsoft Teams. You'll also find a variety of icons for online work, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. We won't use them for now. Locate and enter the Teams icon in the center of your screen. You can also find it by looking at the top left. From this moment on, you are already in the virtual rooms. On the left, you can see the main task bar with several icons: Activity, Chat, Teams, Assignments, Calendar, Apps, Help, and an icon to get the Microsoft Teams app to desktop. It is not necessary to download the app to your desktop, as you can work daily and enter the virtual classrooms from your browser as many times as necessary. On the left, you can also see the names of the subjects, teachers, and classmates. At the top of the General section, you will find the tabs for Conversations, Files, Class Notebook, Assignments, and more. In the upper right corner, you will see the photo of the student who has logged in. We ask to please do not change the image. Learn how to navigate the platform. Microsoft Teams has a very useful tool, of which we will use the most basic one to make distance learning easy and accurate. From the main tabs bar, we will use only the icon of Activity, Teams, and Assignments. Under the Activity icon, when the teacher creates a task, the students receive a notification on the Activity icon. These notifications will inform them that there is a task or activity to complete. Under the Teams icon, you will find the classes you need to attend. You can drag and drop to arrange the classes. Under the Conversations tab is the direct contact with other students and teachers. You'll be able to ask and answer questions and keep track of the assignments all in one place. To respond to written messages from a particular student, add the @ symbol before you type them in. You can easily share files and talk about projects, activities, and ideas while in touch with all class members. Remember to be careful with what you write and always be respectful when addressing classmates and teachers. Disrespect will be reported and access to publish will be blocked, limiting navigation on the student's platform. Under the Files tab, you will have access to the folder marked with the name of the day, Monday 23rd, Tuesday 24th. Every day, teachers will add new folders. Inside each folder, you will find the digital material. You don't need to download the files. With Teams, you can access digital content from the platform. The steps to attend your classes are: Step 1. Daily check the class schedule to know which subjects you should attend each day. Step 2. Enter the day folder and with one tap, select the virtual class. Step 3. If your teacher uploaded any extra activity as an attachment, you will see it inside the day folder. If your teacher uploaded an assignment, you will see it in the Assignments tab. Under the Class Notebook tab, you will find a newsletter for our students. Under the Assignments tab, teachers will add the assignments they have created for students. This tool will be used by primary grades only. Students will use this tool to control the dates, deliver work, and view comments. During the virtual class, the teacher will explain what to do. To enter assignments, first open the file. Then work on the activity. Then close the file, and finally, do not forget to click Entregar so that the task is sent. Please observe the delivery date of each assignment and send the activities before the set date and time. Some activities may have a score to mark. Example, 10 points to complete the activity. When the teacher creates an assignment, a post appears in the General section under the Conversation tab, and students receive a notification in their activity icon. You can follow these notifications to access to the assignment's details. With Teams, you can connect with classmates, ask questions to teachers, watch your virtual classes, and work on activities and assignments, all in one place. The teaching team will not chat or have video lectures with the students in real time. All questions will be answered at Conversations tab, where the teacher will answer the questions or may upload a video to explain the class again. For families with more than one child, at the end of classes of the day, log out so that another family member can access their virtual classroom. Our directors have access to all student accounts to provide academic and technical support, as well as to monitor respect in the virtual classroom. Any questions or suggestions, feel free to send an email to contacto@amaranto.edu.mx. At Amaranto School, we appreciate your trust to allow us to be part of the education of your children. Together for our children, Amaranto School.